I want to talk to you now about what you're going to discover in this section, and it's all about the anatomy of a webinar. Now, in the introduction to the course, I've already shared with you the 17 essential components of a webinar, so you understand the framework that we're working with. Now, I want to put a little bit more meat on the bones. I want to take you deeper into each of these component elements and show you the next layer of complexity below that, because you need to build up your own webinars and presentations with all these minor components building up to delivering what you need to communicate in order to persuade your audience on the webinar to eventually buy from you. And it is quite a complicated process, but I want to keep it simple and straightforward and easy to understand. So we're taking it to the next level now. We're going to take it to another level of depth, another level of detail, and you'll begin to understand how these elements start to flesh out and how they connect together, because both of those elements are very important. So this is going to be all about understanding in more detail the anatomy of a webinar.